My name is Guofang Li. I'm a professor and Canada Research Chair in Transnational and Global Perspectives of Language and Literacy Education for Children and Youth. I am also a co-director of Language Sciences at UBC. I have several ongoing research projects. One of the projects is about longitudinal study of immigrant children's biliteracy and bilingual development in the early years. In this 5-year project, which we have just completed a year ago, we actually traced immigrant children's development in their home language and in English across grade 1 to grade 3, and we surveyed and interviewed parents about their home literacy environment. We also surveyed teachers, including mainstream school teachers and heritage language school teachers, to understand their perspectives of how to teach children both literacy and languages in the schools. Another project is still ongoing. Is actually about how to support immigrant children's reading motivation, reading engagement in an after-school program, and where we actually use design-based research to infuse arts-based literacy activities, culturally relevant tools and books in the program to increase students' engagement in the after-school literacy program. We have achieved quite a bit of success in infusing not just multilingualism and multiculturalism. What we actually use the term plurilingualism and pluriculturalism in this after-school program. We see actually providing students in the original design of the program is providing access without diversity, to use Hilary Jank's terms. After our redesign, we changed the monolingual rules in the program to plurilingual rules and ways of communication. We also redesign the curriculum to make it more culturally linguistic relevant and infused with art-based activities. Finally, we actually change all the participants to bring in their language and cultural assets into the after-school program, to really level the sort of power structures in the program. So we have really been doing this work since September 2022, and we are gradually refine the program into a quite successful program, which has been expanded to 2 schools. We're now hopefully to experiment the use of AI and more technology-supported reading or culturally relevant reading and writing and art-based activities in the program in the next stage. Another project is in collaboration with a group of scientists across Canada to understand learning loss during the pandemic. So what we're doing is really using large-scale assessment data across Canada in each province to understand what was achievement, literacy and mathematics achievement like before, during, and post-pandemic. We're trying to have a complete picture of learning during this sudden change or the changes that induced by the pandemic during 2020 to 2022. So that's project number 3. Another project is in collaboration with several researchers, also across Canada and with Germany and research from Germany and Iceland to understand how internationally educated teachers are actually retrained and accepted into the Canadian education system. So this project is actually led by a researcher from Simon Fraser University. We're actually in the stage of analyzing data. We conduct interviews with stakeholders, with internationally educated teachers who have received training or in the Canadian teacher education program, and also some of them are already teaching in the system. So we will have a symposium in May on this project, and we're hoping to share some preliminary results from this study. From my role as the co-director of UBC Language Sciences Institute, we actually received funding to create a micro-certificate on the topic of critical AI in the classroom. We're now in the middle of designing the curriculum and hope to launch the end of this year. So stay tuned for that exciting development.